I don't really know much about receiving negativity anyway, and I do not even take negativity in a proper manner. So just like I take any positive news from any one of us, I take it very gracefully. But receiving negativity is not really my stuff. Like I don't take it in a good manner. It hurts me a lot. I usually have anxiety attacks most of the times. I feel breathlessness. I feel like there is something in my chest, very heavy. I can't express. Like I know there are therapies, there are everything, but I'm not interested in those. But whenever you are trying to degrade someone, see to it that you shut your mouth before doing that. If you can't put something positive in a positive manner, that's fine. You don't have to do that. At least see to that you don't go and degrade any person. Portray those feelings to them, but still it will hurt. You are not them, they are not you. So it's better if you do not degrade anyone, if you do not pass negative comments towards them, sitting behind a fake profile just to blame them or just to degrade them. That's not cool, bro. We Ayurvedic students, that is those who are doing BMS or anything other than MBBS, you should know that MBBS is not something that is superior. Nothing is superior. Everything has its own values. Everything has its own importance. Just like MBBS, Ayurveda equally has that importance. But you should just try to understand your own literature, your own cultures. Only then you will succeed. I'm telling this because people really have some misconceptions about Ayurveda, that we only study things in Sanskrit or that we only study Sanskrit literature. It's not true. We study both the modern stuff and also Ayurvedic stuff. We go through each and every topic in two languages, to be honest. I'm talking about negativity just because recently I received this is my first ever negativity whenever I started after I started making videos. It really hurt me. Like I couldn't eat that day. It was around 7:28 p.m. I received that text message from someone who created that Instagram account just to blame me because there were no pictures of that person. There are no followers. There is no single follower on that profile. That person follows me and another person. I don't know. He only follows two people, and I don't know if it is he or she. I can't just blame a single gender because as per the messages, I think it is him. So I feel like that profile was created just to degrade whatever I was making. I like Instagram. I like YouTube. I also make videos on Instagram on short duration. I received that messages. I received some of the questions as if these questions are coming from some authority who has all the powers in the world to question me because according to them I am making very big, very wrong decision making these videos which are not my field. They think that they are not included in my field, but I did not go and clarify to them at that point because I thought giving attention to such people will only make the situation worse. Rather than that, I just gracefully said thank you. I said something. I'll attach the things right here so that you can also see whatever I texted that person. So I just wanted to say, before you know anything, you should step into the person's shoes and then think of the situation. It's better that way. Say like this person texted me on Instagram so that he can degrade me because he's definitely MBBS students. I'll tell you why. And then he thinks that modern aspects are only their territory. As per that person, he thinks that the only MBBS students study modern aspects, like BMS students don't study modern aspects. That's why he said I can't make videos like that without any permission. I'll tell you. I'll just go on reading his text messages. First message is, buddy, can I tell you something? He said me. He did not ask me. I mean, he said, can I tell you something? I did not answer the question because I texted him at 7:48. That is after 20 minutes because I was offline. I did not say yes, but still he kept on going as if he thought I can take whatever he says, whatever shit he says. Indian Medical Association, you know about that, right? First question is, can I tell you something? He wants to tell, but he is asking questions. but he should know whatever you're trying to ask, because that's where you fail. Your grammar is very worst. So concentrate on that first, other than your ego or attitude. Next thing, terms, protocols, guidelines, you know, right? There is no question mark in both the questions, but he's trying to put his point, saying that I do not know any of this. Have you studied microbiology in your degree? Yes, I have studied microbiology in my degree. So shut your mouth first. Have you completed your course? I am in 4th year right now. It does not matter if I have completed my course or not, but I know whatever I'm saying because I have references. I'm not just bluffing whatever I know. I have all the references that you might ask. I have not said anything wrong in any of my videos. I have every reference and every proof that I'm not wrong. Does your professors know about your videos? I do not have professors. They are called lecturers. You should know that first. And whenever you're trying to text, you should not use short forms. That is very unprofessional. Being a student or whatsoever, as if you think that you're very intelligent or anything, you should know that you're not supposed to use short forms first. You should also know that, because your grammar sucks. Here, then I replied after this, okay, thank you, I know what you want to say. Nothing that I have told in those videos are wrong. I never say something without reference. So do your jobs other than criticism. I appreciate your concern. I told him that because he's trying to come into my way. He thinks that he can correct me, but he cannot, because your grammar sucks. Next, after that, after some time he texts me, which college are you studying? Question mark, can I know? Why do you want to know? You are not from IMA, you are not from CDC. If you really want to go and ask something about authorities, why are you not asking Dhruv Rathi? He's an engineer, you should know that. And then why are people not asking Fitugo? He's a BTech student. Are they from medical field? I'm at least from medical field. Use your brains at least. You know what is brain, right? Use your brains at least then. Mycology, have you studied? Have you studied mycology? If you knew, then I should be knowing that I have not said anything wrong. It's not a criticism. If it is not a criticism, what is it then? You have to be qualified before making a video. Point. That's a full stop. After full stop, you should start with capital letters. If you have started with a small letter and that to short form, you need to have a degree. That spelling of degree is wrong. It is DEGREE, not single E. You should know that. You should maybe go and take some grammar lessons or spoken English. Anything that can fill your mind with something other than shit. I said, well, thank you for this. And then it really hurt me a lot. I should tell you, it gave me anxiety attacks. Like, this is not my first time having anxiety or something, but this is very disturbing. If you are going to put somebody down, say that your grammar is correct, because I have grammar pedantry syndrome. It's not serious, so but it's a medical thing. You should know. You should be knowing that someone who his name is Shetty, more like Shetty, 7384. One more thing about this guy. He created this profile just to degrade me. He does not have followers. He does not have any post. He's hiding behind some fake profile just to degrade me. And I put a story saying that I don't know who you are, but try appreciating things. He did not reply after that. I don't know why. And then I also put him. I did not block him. I put him in restriction list, because he does not even what can I say? He does not even deserve to be in my blocking list. There are very famous celebrities there. And then some other person, maybe he is also somebody who does not understand the cultures of his own thing, that is Ayurveda. As I put the story, he said, "Lord, if he said you are, I don't know what is that. You're so correct. Then why can't you share details and challenge him? He's not somebody who I can share my information about. He's not from government. Why should I share information with him? I don't get it. If some shitty stranger comes to you and asks for your information, do you share? You have that sense you're not supposed to share information, right? I said I will, but I did not want to give attention to him by texting. He's MBBS student, so he thinks my course isn't good to say all this. Whatever, if you are correct, then you could have fought. Why should I fight? I don't understand. I have my mouth. Brain is more important than your shitty whatever thing is. There is nothing to hesitate. I'm not hesitating, sir. Like whenever you're trying to text and whenever you're trying to support some negativity, you should also understand the words that you are trying to use here. I'm not hesitating. It's not hesitation. It's common sense. You can't share your whatever information you have with some shitty stranger. You don't know what will happen. He can share with anyone else. You know that, right? It has a lot of value on internet and everything. If you feel your coach is providing you the better one, you could have justified. Like, yeah, he comes and then you came, I should justify you also, and then next someone come, I'll justify that also. Is that my job? That's not my job. My job is nothing. I make videos for myself. I don't make videos for people to come and blame and I should justify them. If that was my job, I would have gotten like a millions of rupees by now. But you did not do that. You tried to run away. Also, run away is not a single word. Run away are two different words. You should also concentrate on your grammar there. I did not run away. If I was trying to run away, I should have quit making videos. I should have deleted all my videos. I should have uninstalled Instagram. I should have shut my door and sat in my home. That's what running away is called. Anyways, carry on. I was just trying to tell you to fight. Okay, you are not trying to tell me to fight. If you were trying to tell me to fight, then you could have supported me instead of him. Because your next things will say, anyways, just keeping screenshot status won't justify. I know. I have experience about these things. I don't need to learn from people like you who are trying to support some negativity. Anything. He said lol. Yeah, I said yeah lol. Ayurvedic student, comma, yum, question mark, or naturopathy. I said BMS, which STEM? Okay, we do not have STEMs, we have years. We have 4.5 years plus 1 year. So I told him, also whenever you're trying to support some negativity, get your facts correct. We don't have semesters, we have years. Anyways, finally you guys completed course and joined some hospital in casualty. That's it, under BMS doctors. That's the face I see in most case. What face are you trying to see? Wait, are you someone from IMA or CDC? Don't try to do some kind of shit here. You're both from same thing. I understand that. You are friends and trying to build a group, fight against Kapil Shrigiri maybe. Nice try by the way. Anyways, carry on, good luck. Thank you so much for saying good luck, because I don't believe in luck. It's all my hard work that I do. If I believed in luck, then I should be sitting believing that the videos will happen by the same way that won't happen. Videos won't happen by itself. I make videos, I work hard. I use my brain, unless like you trying to support some negativity. So whenever you're trying to do some shitty support to some person, some stranger, see to that you get your facts correct, and also you both should go to a grammar teacher, or else you can come to me. I can teach a better grammar for you people. Because I told you I have grammar brain syndrome. So we should concentrate more on that rather than supporting some shitty person. Thank you.